Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make olive bread. Here are the ingredients: sesame seeds, salt and baking powder, onions, halloumi, oil, eggs, yogurt, black olives, mint and flour. You mix the 3 eggs in a bowl and slowly add your yogurt. Pour your oil and continue mixing. Until you get to this consistency. Now add in your chopped onions, followed by your halloumi and olives. Here you add your mint, if you could get a spatula and mix slowly. Do not incorporate too much, otherwise you might get a very thick and hard bread. If you want it really nice and fluffy, just give it a nice gentle fold. Now, once you get to that consistency, pour your mixture into a greased tin, like so. Tap it down so there were no air pockets within the tin, and pour your sesame seeds on top of your cake. Cook it into your preheated oven for 55 minutes at 160 Celsius. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.